Buhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayo po to sa tanan kong followers, supporters, viewers, likers, and sharers. Manuto sa ko guys sa Dance Cafe. Dagan silang food but ang ilahang per head nila only 295 pesos. Kumpitos na may mga desserts din ang ilahang menu daghan more than 10 ang ilahang menu. Na sila free na juices. To all the people of Panabo City, Panabueños, even Carmen and Davao City, try to visit Dance Cafe. Dance Cafe, Panabo City. Dance Cafe Restaurant. This is a buffet. Of course, eat all you can. Guys, try to visit here. God bless everyone. Happy Sunday.